How to fix BitCraft Online keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, then go to installed files, click on verify integrity of game files, wait for it to finish this verification process. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button on the top and then right click on the game's exe file, go to properties, the compatibility tab, and make sure both of these options are checked. Then click on apply and OK. Now you can close this and try to launch the game again. Now if that still didn't solve the problem for you, here's what you can do. You want to download and install your GPU application. So for me, I have NVIDIA GPU, and that's why I have NVIDIA app. Now you want to open up your GPU app and go to drivers section and click on the check for updates button. So this arrow here for NVIDIA. Now make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you finish installing it, you will need to restart your system. And after that, you will need to launch Steam again. And then simply click play to start playing the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.